guys, how are you all? So I know I've been missing in my videos due to the low vibration I am suffering, but now I'm all right. So today we'll be doing a free room reading and which will be all about 2022. This is all collective message regarding your love life and career. So let's hit on to your reading. And if you want any kind of personal reading, you can approach me on Tarot with Soumya underscore official. Okay, so let's head on with your reading now. What is coming around your way in 2022? Spirits, please guide me. What is coming around my viewers' way in 2022? What they are going through right now? So there is a hangman, king, knight of cups. So I sense here for most of you are having some awakening right now. Right now the full moon has went away, the last full moon of 2021. For most of you, you were in a deep awakening cycle over here. Right now most of you don't know what's happening with you and you are in literally confusion zone, and somewhere you are having kind of awakening. I can also sense like this person who kept you in hangman position, like full of confusion zone. They were in their own zone totally. Now they are coming and realizing, and they will come up with some proposal offer to you. This person could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What is coming there for my viewers in January 2022? Spirit angel, please guide me relevantly. What is coming there for my viewers in January 2022? What is coming there for my viewers in January 2022? I am hearing for most of you this person has kept you on hold, wait, and this person is literally conflicted by their mind. They are literally in stress always. They are giving you stress, but somewhere this person is having triggering and awakening. They are realizing your worth. What is coming there for my viewers in 2022? Spirit angel, please guide me. What is coming there for my viewers in 2022? Okay, I got another card over here. So I'm sensing you are going to like cutting off your cord with this person, and this person will be soon coming up your way, but you will be creating boundaries with them. You will be stopping them to coming your way because you have sense like this person is not worth for you, for most of you. So what is more there in 2022 for my viewers out there? For others, I'm sensing you are going very far away with lots of baggage in your head, and you are still going on, carrying on with your journey, and you're not stopping. You're just going. No matter how much hard is your journey will be. Okay. Nine of Swords, Two of Pentacles. For most of you, you are having lots of options, but you are still confused from inside whom to choose, whom not to choose, as you are totally confused because of this person, because this person is not letting you go and you are not able to move on. What is coming there for 2022? Spirit angel, please guide me. What is coming there for 2022? There is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces very strong. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What is coming there for 2022? Spirit angel, please guide me. Oh my God. See, there will be for most of you might get married by this year, coming year of 2022, with your specific person or your person you're thinking of. If you want someone new, there are chances you can meet someone new from your family side, and this will be having and this journey will take you to a happy union forever for most of you. And for most of you, I am hearing like you will be having two twins, two kids reborn by 2022 in summer season. So there is Page of Pentacles, a slow move by your specific person or a new person, and they will be like, when you will be like in a sort of process of focusing yourself, focusing on your career, this person will be coming up with proposal, and you might hit up with lots of offer too, because there will be a new beginning with lots of love, care, and when you start loving yourself, you definitely meet a new specific person. It is coming there for my viewers in January 2022. Spirit angel, please guide me relevantly. Slow move, slow move. So right now your person have kept you in deception mode. They are also still in deception mode. They don't know what to do. But after full moon, for some of you, as I told before, like in my personal reading, I am getting many vibes. Like after January full moon or in September or October, you will be having lots of changes coming your way in 2022. There is a slow move, slow proposal by someone. This person can be like a turtle. Okay, and I see a slow movement in everything, even regarding your career. You don't need to wait, guys. You are waiting a lot for a good thing, because you are waiting, so this waiting journey is going to be grow, and universe will grow your situation more into like waiting game. So don't wait for any specific person, don't wait for your ex. If there is meant to be happen, they will come, and when I say in my reading they will come to you, yes, they are coming towards you. So let's see more what is coming there for my viewers in January 2022. Hangman again. So yeah, when my deck says two hangmen, there is definitely this person is totally in their zone. They don't know what to do, and they don't even know what's happening with them in the spiritual awakening. Right now, they are getting kind of awakening because they kept you in a crossroad. For some of you, this person is very new right now. This person is going through some process too. If you are single over here, you will be meeting a new person who is going through some slow process, which will be like awakening, a full awakening. And when you will be meeting them, you will be meeting them through a social media. This person can be a rich person, they will be having their own business. You might meet up in your specific working jobs. So let's hit more with your love life. So what is coming there for my viewers? Finances and career. As I said, you will work with this person, and you might hit up with hookup with this person with finances and career, because you deserve love. You don't deserve a person who kept you like an options, who treat you like an options and make you in stress totally and give you stress all time, hurt you all time. This person will be very slow with coming up with a new energy, I see. If you are dealing with a specific person who kept you in hold, this person will coming up with a union, and you might get a proposal with them once again, but this will be a very serious proposal because you are triggering them a lot. And there will be a reconciliation, guys. You deserve love, union, reconciliation. There is an involvement of money, finances this time for some. And yeah, so when you focus on yourself, you will be automatically getting a right person you deserve. So what is coming there for my viewers in 2022? prosperity lies ahead. New moon in Taurus. So for some of you, okay, I got another card over here. I didn't saw, I guess. A new start is coming. New moon. I said, my intuition never lies. Actually, my spirit guides also never lies. Thank you, thank you, thank you, spirits. So yeah. So new moon will be bringing a very much good changes in your life. This new moon is all about your prosperity, especially, and your new love, which will be your true love. What I am getting sense here without my cards reading, this will be like a true love, a true union coming your way. And if your person was not awakened this time, they will be triggering a lot this new moon and coming new moon too. So hope my reading resonated with you. Do let me know on comment box. And thank you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you a lot for your love and support. Thank you.